square equivalent to 65 whole square. Right hand side is an odd number. Do not miss any class of mine. X square minus y square equivalent to 60 whole square. It is a multiple of 4. We just discussed right hand side. Right hand side should be an odd number or a multiple of 4. This question can also be asked in geometry like this. How many right-angled triangles exist with integral sides? X and y are natural numbers. How many right-angled triangles exist? How many right-angled triangles exist with integral sides satisfying these equation? This can also be a geometric equation because Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse whole square equivalent to base square plus height square. Please make a note of it, sir. X, Y, and 60. How many right-angled triangles exist? This can also be. Tomorrow morning 11 to 1 class, I am going to discuss. This is a very, very easy question. Answer for this question is 4 values. This is also an easy question. We will also see how to find out by using the factorization method. Factorization method. 2 things which we discussed. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions. When it will have integral solutions? Only when the right hand side is an odd number or a multiple of 4. Right hand side is an odd number or a multiple of 4. A student who is preparing for SSC mains. Sir, is there any better method to solve this question? N square plus 342 equivalent to k square. N and k are natural numbers. How many values nk will satisfy? He is attempting an SSC mock question from one of the test papers. I don't know which paper it is. N square plus 342 equivalent to k square. N and k are natural numbers. How many values n comma k will take? I said answer is 0. Sir, how come you solved fast? It's a very simple question. K square minus n square equivalent to 342. Right hand side should be an odd number or it should be a multiple of 4. I hope the idea it is clear. Right hand side should be an odd number or it should be a multiple of 4. 342 is not a multiple of 4. So the answer for this question is no value for n exists. Please don't substitute. Don't substitute. Please don't substitute. You have seen some teachers' logics and you said that this is the best logic. Probably I will teach you in a way that my logics will be better than the best. Because I have been spending time. 2004, I completed my engineering with 91%. And at the age of 17, I taught mathematics because I was coming from a utter poverty background. I decided to take care of my family by taking tuitions. Right from, I started a class with 20, 20 became 200, 200 became 800, 800 became 2,300 in a span of 6 weeks times with 0 advertisement. Any student who is a lover of mathematics, if you listen to my class, by this time you should have understood what is aptitude. I hope the logic is very, very clear to you.